road, down the lane, and across the track, and then we pull off the track on different places every time, so we know we're not going to make a mess with it being so wet. So yeah, that's what we're on with today, and I'm going to take you with me and show you what we're up to. So as you can see, this is where we're spreading. This is the track I was talking about. We pull off the track in different spots, as you can see. I've been pulling in on different bits there. That's where we're up to. So we've done, this is load 6 today so far. 16 acre field, so just keep me quiet for a little while, but yeah, this is where we're spreading. milking time now. We've done 10 loads of slurry today. As you can see, it has started to rain a lot. It wasn't actually forecast to rain, but it has rained. I'll turn that off. Got Jimmy head in. But it's been a trying past few weeks at least for how wet it's been, getting muck out. Before anyone asks, we're not in an MVZ, so we can spread slurry when we want. There's no rules dictating spreading slurry. And our ground is very dry ground. It will take slurry when it's wet, a lot of it. Like this field here, I mean, I'll just show you now, we're not even marking, even though it's peed down the rain. But it'd be handy if it were dry, because a lot of ground can't actually get on when it's wet. So yeah, but anyway, please give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe below. Thank you for watching, much appreciated. See you in the next one.